Like this dude yesterday. He kept raising up his arms and the wind was blowing towards me and it was awful. He was a big bear looking dude.
Well, we are still on the nature trail, as you can see. Still on the nature trail.
Did you see that bird?
What bird?
I should have got a picture of that vulture.
Really, Brian? My phone was about to die. Did you just fart?
No.
Yes, you did
No,
fart.
that was my foot.
You did. Stop lying. You just
stumbled on
farted.
something.
You just farted.
Disgusting.
Bird. Some birds around here. Oh, yeah.
There's that kangaroo.
I don't see it. Barry! There it is. There it is. Hold on.
Go over there. Hey, go bear.
Do you guys see it? It's right there.
Hey, go bear. Walk over there, easy.
Come on.
It'll go viral.
There's no trail.
Just don't run out.
Come on.
Look,
Guys, see that?
it's over. Hey, go bear. Telling you, if that thing attacks you, this video will go viral.
It'll go viral, but I'll be hurt.
So you won't. Not by that thing. You can fight it, Ian.
That thing has horns.
Those are ears.
Are they really?
Those are ears. It'll be worth it though, because if it goes viral,
Come on.
you can make money.
Oh, shoot.
Hey, go bear.
That is not a goat bear.
Hey, go bear.
It has to be a deer.
Hey, we don't even eat meat, and we'll just pet you,
You see that?
and we might even have something you can eat, or something.
Shut up, Brian.
We're coming over. We're just gonna visit with you for a minute.
We just want to get you on video,
We're
baby.
just gonna pet you.
Baby.
We're just gonna pet you.
Look at these pretty little purple leaves.
You will not have any problems from us.
If he attacks me, I'm beating the crap out of you when I get out the hospital.
He likes you, and he just wants to give you a little.
Oh my
pet.
gosh.
Don't be scared of the bear.
You see that?
Goat. Just
See
walk
that?
over to it, Ian.
No, I'm not
Are you
about to get
scared,
hit.
man?
Why don't you go walk over to it?
Are you scared?
What?
of the
What?
goat,
My own. My own.
Shh, quit yelling. Did you think the goat bear ate her or something?
No, I just thought something happened. Get back over here.
Quit yelling. You're scaring the goat.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm
Hey,
sorry.
He didn't mean to yell.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell. I'm sorry. No, come back.
Come back.
I'm sorry.
He didn't mean
Come
to
here.
yell.
It's okay. It's
He didn't mean
okay.
to yell.
I didn't mean to yell. I'm sorry.
He didn't mean to yell.
I'm sorry.
Don't run.
Please don't
Okay.
run. I'm sorry.
Come on.
Come on, stay over for dinner. He popped his ears up like, what? Dinner?
Ian for dinner.
What?
You can have Ian for dinner. They don't even eat meat. Can you get him on video?
Yeah, I see
Can
him.
you zoom in?
Yes, I can. I already zoomed in.
Okay.
I can zoom in all
Stay
the
there. I'm
way.
just gonna pet you, man.
I zoomed in all the way.
Come on, go pet him.
No, you.
Don't be, I got your back, Ian.
You don't got my back. You
I'm
really
right in back of you, bro.
get your hands off me.
I'm right in back of
Get
you.
no. Back up. No.
Here's your dinner.
I will scream and I will
No,
make him
look.
leave.
Ian, I'm in front of you, okay?
You better be in front of me. He better not bite us or none of that.
No, if he attacks somebody, he's gonna attack me. Are you getting him on tape?
Yes, I'm getting him on tape.
Come on, baby.
So we're on a nature walk right now, just looking at the deer.
It's okay, sweetie. You just want to say hi. Hey.
Who knew we would find a deer? No, come back. No, I'm sorry.
Don't leave.
No, it's okay.
We're not
Oh.
trying to well,
It's
you have
okay.
a nice day, okay? We're not gonna bother you anymore.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks for hanging out with us, though, so we could at least get a little bit close to you. And have a nice day.
Okay, well that was
A goat
pretty.
bear.
Yeah, no, it was a deer, obviously, and it left. So, oh well.
Why did you come, my own?
Right, stupid. Next time you're coming along, cause you're not leaving us again.
My own. Why did you leave?
Oh my gosh. My camera sucks. My camera is terrible on my phone. Well, This might be the end of the nature walk. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure because I think we've been through here. Have we been through here, Brian?
I think you gotta go left to go back.
Maybe. Let's go right. No, we don't. No, we don't. It's only 8:28.
Ian, your mom told me to get you home.
No, she didn't. Okay. Well, that was the end of the video, so this was my first video. Hopefully I get some subscribers. Shout out to, hold on. What, a map? Where? Map. Okay, so.
This is the way out, right?
Yes.
Yep. Thanks.
So, shout out to Dashi, Your Assassin Art,
There's a bird.
Ryo Point K.
There's a bird.
Shout out to Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, and PewDiePie. You know, all them people. So, yeah, that was the end of the video. So, oh, bird!